shift focus as we continue to track the story very cleanly on India Today. The other developing story over the last 48 hours, which not just the Delhi NCR region that has India split down the middle. A Supreme Court order to relocate all stray dogs in Delhi NCR to shelters within 8 weeks has sparked massive protests. Several animal rights activists were detained at India Gate with police warnings that interference could lead to contempt of court. Here's more.
A howl of protests and counter in Delhi. After the Supreme Court ordered all stray dogs off the streets in 8 weeks, protests broke out at India Gate. Rescuers, feeders and dog lovers showed up. So did the cops. Detentions followed, emotions ran high. The cops armed with top court order to clear the streets of canines or face contempt.
मिनिमम 10,000 डॉग्स के लिए 5 एकड़ की ज़मीन रिक्वायर्ड होती है। तो दिल्ली एनसीआर के पास आप कहाँ पे इतनी ज़मीन ढूंढ लेंगे जहाँ आप 3 लाख से ज़्यादा डॉग्स इकट्ठे वहाँ पे ट्रांसपोर्ट कर दें। चलिए एक बार को मान लेते हैं कर भी देंगे, फिर आपको इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर चाहिए उनको रखने के लिए, आपको मेडिकल स्टाफ चाहिए, आपको स्टाफ चाहिए उनकी केयर करने के लिए। एक डॉग का 1 महीने का खर्चा होता है 5,000 रुपये। 3 लाख का कितना खर्चा आएगा, आई डोंट नो गवर्नमेंट कैसे करेगी।
In fact, India Today found out that some dog shelters in Delhi are not even properly functional.
This is called the MCD ABC unit, which is run under the Animal India Trust. It is registered trust, and we have knocked 2-3 times, but there is no one here to actually open the doors of the shelter. At the moment also you can see that this has been closed from inside, and there is no one out here to kind of open the shelter. There are dogs barking inside, and we are trying to get in touch with somebody to open the shelter for us. But this seems to be the grim reality of the shelters in Delhi at the moment.
Amid the crackdown, voices of dissent grew louder. Lok Sabha leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi slammed the Supreme Court order as a step backward, calling stray dogs not problems to erase but lives to protect. He called the order cruel, short-sighted and inhumane. BJP leader and noted animal rights activist Menaka Gandhi called the Supreme Court ruling strange and delivered out of anger. Her warning: no shelters, no plan, a 15,000 crore budget and chaos lying ahead.
आपने ये नहीं देखा कि कितने बाइट्स हैं फ्रॉम पीपल्स ओन्ड डॉग्स जो विदेशी कुत्ते हैं। ये यू विल फाइंड, and that is any study will show you, it's 70% pet dogs and 30% street dogs.
But Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta welcomed the Supreme Court's decision, calling stray dogs a big problem for Delhi.
ये प्रॉब्लम जिस विकराल रूप धारण करके दिल्ली के सामने खड़ी है, इसमें सरकार की ईमानदारी के साथ में समाधान देना ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, जिसकी हमने पूरी योजना बनाते हुए इस समस्या पे काम हम करेंगे।
Caught in this tug of war between humane care and hardline cleanup, Delhi faces a crucial question. Can the city find a compassionate way to keep its streets safe without losing its soul? With Rahul Gautam and Anisha Mathur in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.